Are you aware that some people are earning over $600 per day by using their smartphones? It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. With the rise of the gig economy, there are now more opportunities than ever to make serious money right from your phone. And today I'm going to show you how. In today's world, more and more people are looking for flexible ways to boost their income without being tied to the traditional 9-to-5 job. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for extra income, phone-based side hustle could be your answer. These gigs allows you to work on your own schedule from anywhere and potentially earn hundreds of thousands a day, all from your phone. Today we're going to look into 12 lucrative phone-based side hustles you can start right now to make $600 a day. Before we get started, watch this video to the end because I'll be sharing 2 standout opportunities that are sure to make you $600 per day if you use the right method from the beginning. Let's get started. First on our list is freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, you can turn your writing skills into serious cash by creating content for blogs, websites, and businesses. There's a huge demand for writers who can produce quality content. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients who need everything from blog posts to product descriptions. Freelance writing is all about creating content that meets the needs of your clients. You could be writing blog posts, articles, website copy, or even social media content. The key is to understand your client's audience and deliver content that engages them. Potential earning for freelance writing: with some experience and a solid portfolio, skilled writers can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per article. If you can write a few articles a day, hitting $600 is entirely possible. Let's say you land a gig writing 3 in-depth blog posts for a tech company at $200 each. That's $600 for a day's work. And you can do it all from the comfort of your phone, whether you're at home or on the go. To maximize your earnings, focus on building a niche. If you specialize in a particular area like tech, finance, or health, you can position yourself as an expert and charge higher rates. Also, consider building long-term relationships with clients who can provide you with consistent work. Next up, we have online surveys. Now I know what you're thinking. Surveys don't pay much, right? That's true. But they are super easy and require almost no effort. Apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie pays you to share your opinions on products, services, and more. It's a simple way to earn some extra cash during your downtime. Once you sign up for a survey platform, you will receive invitations to participate in surveys based on your profile. Each survey takes a few minutes to complete, and you earn points or cash for your participation. Surveys typically pay between $0 to $3 each. While it's not a high income hustle, it's an easy way to make some pocket money in your spare time. Imagine you're watching TV and completing survey during commercial breaks. If you do this consistently, you could earn extra $20 to $50 each week without any effort. To increase your earnings, sign up for multiple survey platforms and complete as many surveys as possible. While it won't make you rich, it's a great way to make use of your idle time. Transcription is another great phone-based hustle, especially if you're a good listener and a fast typist. This gig allows converting audio files into text, and it's something you can do easily from your smartphone. Platforms like Rave and Transcribe Me are popular place to start. You will listen to audio recordings, which could be anything from interviews to lectures, and type out what you hear. Accuracy and speed are key, so make sure you are focused. With practice, you can earn between $15 to $25 per hour. The more experienced you become, the faster you can work and the more you can earn. Let's say you transcribe audio for 4 hours at $20 per hour. It's $80 a day. It's a flexible job you can do while commuting, waiting in line, or whenever you have some free time. To increase your speed and earnings, use transcription software that allows you to control playback speed. This way, you can slow down difficult sections and speed up easier ones. Also, focus on improving your typing speed and accuracy to maximize your productivity. Virtual assistants or VAs are in high demand. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and even busy individuals need help managing their day-to-day tasks, and they are willing to pay for it. As a VA, you can offer administrative support all from your phone. As a virtual assistant, your task might include managing email, scheduling appointments, handling social media, or even booking travel. You can find virtual assistant gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or directly through networking. Virtual assistants can earn anywhere between $15 to $50 per hour depending on their skill set and experience. The more specialized your skills, the more you can charge. Imagine working for a few clients and earning $30 per hour. If you work 5 hours a day, that's $150 in your pocket. Over time, you can build your client base. You could easily scale up to a full-time income. To stand out as a virtual assistant, consider specializing in a niche like social media management, email marketing, or project management. Offering a specialized service allows you to charge higher rates and attract clients who need your specific skills. If you're knowledgeable in a subject like math, science, or languages, online tutoring could be the perfect side hustle for you. Platforms like VIP Kid or Chegg connect tutors with students from around the world, and you can do it all from your phone. As an online tutor, you will conduct one-on-one sessions with students through video calls, helping them understand difficult concepts, complete homework, and prepare for exams. Specialized tutors in high-demand subjects can charge $50 to $100 per hour, making it possible to hit $600 in a full day of sessions. Imagine spending 6 hours tutoring at $100 per hour. That's $600 in a single day. If you have a background in education or a specific expertise, this could be a lucrative side hustle. To maximize your earnings, consider offering group tutoring sessions. This way, you can charge each student a lower rate but still earn a higher total per hour. Additionally, build a long-term relationships with students for consistent work. If you're a social media whiz, social media management might be the right up your alley. Businesses need help growing their online presence, and you can manage their accounts right from your smartphone. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating content, scheduling posts, interacting with followers, and analyzing engagement to help businesses grow their brand. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer make it easy to manage multiple accounts from your phone. Depending on the client and scope of work, social media managers can earn around $300 to $1,000 per client. Managing multiple clients can quickly add up. Say you manage social media for 3 small businesses, each paying up to $500 per month. That's $1,500 in your pocket, and with the right tools, you can manage it all efficiently from your phone. To attract clients, build a strong personal social media presence that showcases your skills. Offer to do free audits of potential clients' social media profiles and provide them with actionable tips. This can help you land more clients. Ad testing is another great way to make money from your phone. Companies need feedback on their apps before they launch, and they are willing to pay for it. Services like user testing make it easy to get started. You will download and use an app, testing out its features and providing feedback on its functionality, user interface, and any bugs you encounter. App testers typically earn $10 to $20 per test, which usually takes about 20 minutes to complete. If you complete 10 tests in a day, you could bring in a total of $200. It's a flexible side hustle that you can do whenever you have some free time. To maximize your earnings, sign up for multiple app testing platforms. The more platforms you are on, the more opportunities you have to test apps and increase your income. Micro tasks are small, simple tasks that you can complete online, like data verification or image tagging. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk offer these opportunities, and they are perfect for making money in short bursts of time. You'll pick up tasks from a list, complete them, and get paid per task. These tasks are usually quick and easy, like categorizing images or verifying information. Earning can vary widely depending on the task, but you can generally expect to make between $6 to $12 per hour. If you spend a few hours a day completing micro tasks, you could easily make an extra $50 to $100 a week. It's not a full-time income, but it's great for some extra cash in your spare time. Focus on high-paying tasks and complete them as efficiently as possible. Over time, you will get faster and be able to complete more tasks in less time, increasing your hourly rates. If you've got an eye for photography, you can turn your smartphone photos into cash by selling them on stock images sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. It's a great way to earn passive income from photos you've already taken. Simply upload your best photos to stock photography websites. Every time someone downloads one of your photos, you can earn a commission. The more photos you have available, the more you can earn over time. While the earnings per photo download are small, they can add up if you have a large portfolio. Photographers can make anywhere from 25 cents to $1 per download, and with enough downloads, it becomes a steady stream of income. Imagine you have a portfolio of 100 photos and each one is downloaded 10 times a month at $1 per download. That's $1,000 a month in passive income, all from photos you've already taken. Focus on creating high quality in-demand images. Look for trends in stock photography like lifestyle images or business-related visuals and create content that meets those needs. If you've got a good voice, acting might be the perfect side hustle for you. You can lend your voice to commercials, audiobooks, or explainer videos through sites like voices.com and do it all from your phone. You'll record scripts provided by clients, delivering the audio files directly from your phone. It's important to have a quiet space to record for the best sound quality. There are even apps that allow you to edit and enhance your recordings before sending them off. Voice actors can earn anywhere from $50 to $300 per project depending on the length and complexity of a few projects. Voice actors can earn anywhere from $50 to $300 per project depending on the length and the complexity. With a few projects, you can reach that $600 per day goal. Let's say you book 3 short voiceover projects at $100 each. That's $300 in a day. And with a little practice, you can easily do more. To break into voice acting, start by creating demo reel with samples of your voice work. This can help you showcase your range and attract clients. Additionally, invest in a good microphone to ensure your recordings are clear and professional. If you're an expert in a field like fitness, nutrition, or life coaching, you can offer your services through online coaching sessions. This is a great way to help others while making money from your phone. You will conduct a one-on-one coaching sessions via video calls, helping clients achieve their personal goals. Whether it's fitness, nutrition, or life coaching, you can offer your expertise from anywhere. Coaches can charge between $50 to $200 per session depending on their expertise and client base. With just a few sessions, you can make $600 or more in a day. Imagine conducting $300 coaching session in a day. That's $300 for a few hours of work, and you're helping people improve their lives. To build a client base, offer a free initial consultations to attract potential clients. Use your media to market your services and gather testimonials from satisfied clients to build credibility and attract more businesses. Last but certainly not the least is dropshipping. This is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding inventory. Using apps like Obelo to manage orders, it's one of the most popular ways to make money online, and it can all be done from your phone. You'll set up an online store, list products from suppliers, and when someone makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Your job is to manage the store, handle customer service, and market your products. Earnings can vary greatly depending on the products you sell and how well you market them. But successful dropshippers can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month. Let's say you find a trending product and sell it for a $20 profit per item. If you sell 30 items in a day, that's $600 in profit. With the right products and marketing, dropshipping can be a very lucrative side hustle. To succeed in dropshipping, focus on finding high demand, low competition products. Use tools like Google Trends to identify trends and invest in targeted advertising to drive traffic to your store. Also, make sure to choose reliable suppliers to ensure customer satisfaction. While all these side hustles have potential, two stand out for their earning power: freelance writing and online tutoring. With experience and the right clients, skilled writers can earn around $100 to $500 per article, potentially hitting that $600 a day with just few assignments. Similarly, specialized those in high demand subjects can charge $50 to $100 per hour, making it possible to hit that $600 in a full day of sessions. So there you have it. 12 phone-based side hustle that you can start today and make $600 a day. These opportunities offer flexibility, significant earning potential, and the convenience of working from your phone. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace your full-time job, there's something here for everyone. Which of these side hustles interest you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more tips on making money online, don't forget to check out our other videos for more strategies and insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.